I'm Kate Mills. I'm an Americana independent artist. I have loved being a part of the Cyber PR Labs. The worksheets and checklists alone are worth the money. Ariel and the group of experts that she has teamed up with are such a wealth of information, and having access to them is truly invaluable. Her and all of the guests that she brings on are really highly engaged and very available to ask questions, and that has meant so much to me, and you can really tell that they are on the side of the artist and want to help independent musicians succeed in this crazy, ever-changing business. I'm getting ready to release my album this fall, and I keep coming back to the video courses and to all the worksheets and checklists to keep myself organized, so they continue to be a really valuable resource for me in my career and career planning. I hope you enjoy them.